Can you imagine? Among the 8 planets of the seemingly peaceful solar system, each of its planets is much larger than. It gets worse. From the burning inferno of Venus, to Neptune floating in a sea of diamonds, from Uranus lying down and rolling around, to Jupiter's great red spot, which could swallow the entire planet. Let's find out together today. Let's take a look at the true face of the 8 planets, and see which planet is the scariest. First stop. We come to the core of the solar system, the Sun. This yellow dwarf has been burning for about 4.60 billion years. In the prime of his life, the hydrogen in its interior persists, undergoing a nuclear fusion reaction. About 620 million tons of hydrogen are converted to helium every second. The energy released is equivalent to 1,000 billion atomic bombs exploded simultaneously. The surface temperature of the Sun is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, and the core temperature is as high as 15 million degrees Celsius. It can be said that if there is no Sun, life on Earth will end in an instant. It's not just a provider of light and heat, it is the key to the birth and continuation of life. Next we come to Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. It's the smallest of the 8 planets. Its diameter is only 2/5 that of the Earth. Due to the extremely thin atmosphere, the temperature difference between day and night is the largest in the solar system. Temperatures in the equatorial region soar to 432 degrees Celsius during the day, enough to melt everything. The night plummets to -172 degrees Celsius. It's like entering an ice cellar in an instant. And Mercury is too close to the Sun, often drowned in the brilliance of the Sun. Detection is extremely difficult so far. Only 2 spacecraft have ever been up close. Mercury's surface is littered with craters, similar to the Moon. And then Venus. It is very similar to the Earth. Known as Earth's sister star, however, the surface environment of Venus is appalling. It's a hellish planet. It has the strongest greenhouse effect in the solar system. The surface temperature remains above 462 degrees Celsius all year round. Hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. The atmospheric pressure here is 90 times that of the Earth. If you stand on the surface of Venus, it's like being crushed under a kilometer of sea, squashed in minutes. And not only that, it rains sulfuric acid from time to time. That's made up of sulfuric acid in thick clouds. For anyone attempting to land on Venus, detectors are a deadly threat. And beyond that is the Earth that we all live on. Here are the 8 planets. The only planet where life exists. The Earth has undergone a long and complex evolutionary process, suffered countless asteroid impacts, 6 mass extinction events. But life persists and evolves tenaciously. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans, and only 2.5% is fresh water. Freshwater resources are extremely scarce. And then we come to Mars. This is the planet of choice for human interstellar migration today. Its surface is almost entirely desert. Dust storms big and small erupt every year. Dust storms can even cover entire planets. The atmosphere of Mars is thin and cold. The main ingredient is carbon dioxide. No stable body of liquid water. Despite this, Mars shares many similarities with Earth. For example, the inclination of the rotation axis is close to the rotation period. This makes Mars also have obvious seasonal changes.